Sorry, in the previous tutorial I said that Rigify doesn't support bendy bones. That turns out to be untrue, which is great news for Rigify users. Let me show you the process. Select the rig and go to Pose mode. Show deformation bones. Display as B bones. Let's select this helper bone and go to Bone Properties. Here set the start and end handles to tangent. Set Start Custom to Armpit Lower Left. Set End Custom to Armpit Upper Left. Same story with other helper bones. As you can see, with bendy bones, shoulder, armpit, triceps, waist and hips areas deform much better. And let me remind for those who is new to my channel, we have this cool result with automatic weights. See you in the next one.